In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate First Citizens credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the section labeled Cards. It's usually either on the home screen or under the More tab, depending on your version of the app. Tap on Cards and select the credit card you want to activate. Now you should see an option that says Activate Card. Tap on that and the app will prompt you to confirm a few details, like the last 4 digits of your card, the expiration date, or possibly a verification code sent to your phone or email. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your First Citizens credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.